Baby,
No.
what are we doing?
I don't even know what this game is called. Pug Pays Party. This little guy, that pug has been fed and fed and fed.
Yep.
He's been eating a lot of that dog food. So $150 in, let's make some money.
Baby, you looking well fed and fed and fed. Whew, woman.
You don't say that to a lady.
Baby, that's a good thing. That's a great thing, to be honest.
Okay, 10 cents, and I'm gonna be doing the $4 a bet here.
Oh,
Like, look at that guy on the right, man. I feel like there you go.
oh, thank you.
His owners left a big bowl of dog food, and he's the one that ate all of it. Didn't even share with his buddies. What just happened?
I don't know. Did he get bigger?
I don't know. This is like maybe my second time playing this game, so I really don't know.
Oh. Yeah, he's growing a little bit.
And it's really feeding that red one.
I know, right? Okay.
Interesting.
I don't even, you are right. We have played this one time before, but I don't think we've ever actually
I don't even remember it. Like,
No.
I know that we played it, but I don't.
Okay. Oh.
That's like the boss of the group. You see his ring,
Yeah.
his earring?
That mohawk hair.
He looks like he would mess you up if you mess with his owner. Yellow, finally.
Yeah.
And he just kept it in.
Well, he already looks like he's about to pop, so. Oh. We need to get all three of them
Yes.
together.
Literally, the little, I can't even say little. The guy on the right looks like he's about to float away. Look at his little legs. Just floating in the air. Ah. Yellow one. It's your chance, buddy. I know you're uncomfortable.
You look very uncomfortable.
Oh. Oh snap. Oh snap.
Wow, okay.
24. We'll take it.
Oh.
I think we got it.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, let's see what this does.
Okay.
Look at him eat that cake.
Okay. Ready, free spin. Ooh, +2. 7.
Okay.
Okay.
Come on, no dead spins.
No dead spins. Come on. Uh-oh. Let's get it. Yes, yes.
Okay,
Ooh,
okay. Get him to go.
Get him to go. Get him
He's
to pop.
uncomfortable. Get him out of his. Oh my goodness, he went to sleep. Too much food. Food coma.
Too much food.
There we go. Right here, both of you. Both of you.
Oh. Wait.
Oh.
No.
You have everything?
Yes, of course. Yeah.
And back to sleep he goes. Okay.
Let's see. Keep those free games coming.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
There
two
you
more.
go.
Good job.
We will take those.
Whew.
that.
Oh.
Get him to go. Wake up. Wake up.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. It's like me when I was pregnant. Just eat and sleep.
Oh.
There we go. Go red.
Oh. He got bigger.
He did get bigger.
You know, our 5 free games have turned into quite a bit here, huh?
I know.
Last one, add more. Oh.
So we got little something back here.
Yeah. Wow, that's it?
That's it. $24.
Wow.
That's a lot of noise for $24.
That was a lot of noise
But
for
I
20.
am intrigued to see that yellow one go now. I mean, we gotta get him out of discomfort.
Right, I think so.
Poor little guy is just uncomfortable.
Yeah. Who's gonna pop? Yellow definitely. The Billy Boost needs to go.
See, the left one is back to looking like the head honcho over there.
Yeah. Oh.
Go red.
And oh, we got
Get a
bigger.
little bounce.
Oh.
Ooh. Awesome. Something back.
Oh.
Half of our free game there.
Whoa.
What is
What is
this?
this? What's happening, guys?
Puppies rolling across the screen.
What the heck? No way, he's gonna go again. He went.
Okay.
Holy wow.
I have no idea what's going on, but I'm gonna enjoy this party.
Okay, we're gonna join this party, is right.
Now let's get the red and yellow to go, huh?
Yes. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, red and yellow are both asleep.
We need to be woken up.
Come
Come on.
on. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go.
Go yellow. Go yellow. Oh my gosh.
All right, let's get them to pop. Yes. And no.
I'm telling you, it's pregnant meat.
Feed you and put you to sleep?
Yes.
You know, I would love to see bigger numbers than like 15.
I know.
Like this is $1. That's $4.
I
Right.
know. See, now if you got them all together, I feel like that would be a heck of a party.
Yeah. Oh. Oh my
And
gosh.
it's, oh my gosh, it's great.
Oh.
Okay. It's okay. It just gave us a little bit more to play with.
Yeah.
$5. I'm having fun though.
Actually, to be honest, it is fun, but I feel like with the betting $4, I feel like you're betting like 40 cents. Like 40 cents should get you a $25
Yeah.
free game thing.
Yeah.
$4, I mean, should at least be like 150.
Let's keep it going.
Come on, Billy Boost. Dude, you about to pop. Look, look.
I didn't know it does that. Oh, this should be pretty good. $6. Watch Blue go again
I know.
before any of them.
He would be the one that would go again. Oh, no.
Dang, there was a wild middle. Go red.
Okay.
Nice, okay. There we go. Our free game right there.
Yeah, right? Oh my gosh. Ha!
Let's see all three go. Got the tennis balls and the cues. Nice. Oh, they've got names. Freddie on the left, Billy on the right, and then Ian on top. I didn't even notice that.
Oh, you didn't notice that?
No, Billy boy over here. Come on.
I know. Billy's been needing to pop for a while now.
Get yourself out of discomfort, dude.
Ooh, dang, I didn't realize how low we were.
Uh-huh. Oh, this should be good.
$4?
16.
Oh, okay. Can we get an instant win?
Billy, this is your time to shine, buddy.
Oh,
Oh my
oh,
gosh.
no. Oh, last one, baby.
Last one. That's it. Leaving with $1.
Wow,
$1. We fed those pugs pretty good though.
that was a long video. I mean, it kept us on here for a while. I'm not gonna lie.
I had my fun. It was weird.
Yeah.
It was weird.
I don't know if I'm gonna be playing that one much anymore.
No, the payout doesn't match the bet amount.
No.
But it was fun to try something different.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
agree. The reason actually we did sit down is that there was a dude that was sitting on the middle machine, $4 bet, and hit a hand pay.
And you told me to sit down on it, and I was like, hold on a minute, let me play this game. And then somebody sits down and they won a nice hand pay on the $4 bet. So I was like, let me try the one to the right.